Somewhere you have to wear a mask. When we talk about Johari mirror, how much you know about yourself, how much people know about you, how much you know. So how do you divide your quadrant into 4 quadrants? So I said after 3 years, I wantedly went after 3 years. Then I said, give me the list of the people, that too on Sunday night after 7 o'clock till morning 3 o'clock. If the students are ready, I will talk. Or what is this stupid demand you are asking, Mr. Jain? I said, that's my the hell with you. I don't care if you want me or not. You called me. I have not entered into IIM. I am a school dropout. I am talking to double graduate people. I am a half graduate. And this was a joke. When my would-be father-in-law met me, how much you studied? I said, if I tell 8th standard dropout fellow will not give me the girl, and I don't want to be bachelor, because in 5th standard I had 2-3 ladies in my mind, but they didn't marry me, because I didn't want to even speak to them. So those were the days you couldn't speak. TV also was not there. So one Manju was there, one Mala was there. Well, okay, I didn't even have the courage to go and tell them in 5th standard, wo bhi kya, chala Murari hero banne, wo films mein theek lagta hai. Reality mein nahi lagta tha. Then I told my father-in-law, I studied half BCom. So he was very happy. 1.5 years BCom पढ़ के वो चला गया होगा, तो वो छोड़ दिया होंगे. बिजनेस में आगे, he is selling Reliance goods, how very popular. I am also a textile showroom. So KGF, I'll give my daughter to. After 2 years, he got to know that I told a lie. I said, आपने झूठ क्यों बोला मेरे को? मतलब मैंने कभी झूठ नहीं बोला आपको. हाफ BCom बोला, 15 का आधा 7.5 बोला मैंने. तो आपने 10 + 2 + 3. So now you can't divorce and take. I already have a daughter now, Jyoti. तो अभी आप खुश तो है ना? नहीं कोई बात नहीं, आपने झूठ बोला, बट आपके बेटी का सर्टिफिकेट आपने अभी तक मेरे को बताया नहीं. वो 10th पास है बोलते हुए अभी तक मैंने सर्टिफिकेट देखा नहीं उसका. So maybe she'll be 6th standard. At least I am 7.5. But she till today she has not disclosed to me in 30 years what is the fact. So it is the Bhishma or the Dronacharya when he said that Ashwatthama, elephant and this, half truth, but for the good cause. So for a good cause I got the girl. So I am bachelor, not bachelor today. Maybe others had been Anjaneya Swami, nobody would have given me. पढ़ाई नहीं किया, अक्ल नहीं है, कैसा करेगा? तो ये बात आता है. So my experience to tell you, not to go into the too much of the talks, because all of you are capable of understanding a lot of things. In a subtle way I have given you small messages. And one more point, what I was inspired about Henry J. Kaiser. I want all of you to read that case study. And Muhammad Yunus of Bangladesh, from 1 rupee, one lady changed the entire thought process of that man. He was an extraordinary Fulbright scholar, gold medalist from United States of America, comes to Bangladesh and walks around the university in the night, walks into a hut, very hungry, thirsty, and asks for the water. A lady who is half naked, who cannot even cover her body completely, and she gives the water with a beaming smile. And that observation, that is where I think morning till evening we miss out on observation, and we get carried away by too much of our rat race. I want, if you are all leaders in your own sense, because I don't want to talk about leadership, you don't need to be working for 24 hours, you have to be 24 hours free, then only you can succeed in life. If you are getting into too much of nitty gritty and working day styles and strategies and everything you want to do it, then means you are not empowering yourself. You have to work for 3,25,000 hours a day. And you are going to live only for 2,500 productive weekends in your lifetime. 30 years you are going to live is equivalent to 2,500 weekends. 50 years is only 2,500 weekends. So what do you want to achieve? You have to decide about it. Not that the $1 billion bank balance I have got or Bill Gates has become the richest. Richness is not by the dollars. Richness is by your thoughts. Richness is by your people around you and what you can make the environment better around you. Can you give that vibrancy? Can you give that energy? Can you pass on that positive energy? Whatever may be the tsunami situation, whatever may be the situation. How does that do? So your timing is that it is not that 2,500 weekends, because you have 8,760 hours. You are not even going to use 2,000 hours a year. So how much, 5 minutes if I waste my time is equal to 30 hours, and 30 hours could have been my 3 projects of mine. Some people I can take a challenge, those who are working with the organization, maybe it is, I don't want to, they can become entrepreneurs without money. And I am the only professor who talks about without money how to become an entrepreneur, because I started on that situation. When I went to IIM, so sometimes I talk to the topic and go to another topic and come back, that's my style. So I want you to be please attentive on this issue. So going back to the IIM, I told these guys, get me those, and then 27 people offered themselves to attend the class. Then I started my session, 4 ran away after 2 hours. Then another 3 hours I extended, another 4 ran away. So finally there were 16 people. And after 16 people, once I completed my session, I came to the airport at 5 o'clock, took the early flight to Bangalore. They came to the airport. Within 6 months, I got to know once the batch passed out, all 14 became entrepreneurs. All 14 became entrepreneurs in their own sense. I didn't give them any money or what it is. Narayan Murthy gave 25 lakhs rupees to one guy. One girl went to Lucknow and started 25 kindergartens, partners within the people, brought the youngsters, trained the young ladies and made them teachers. And today she is talking about 1,500 chain of kindergarten schools all over the country because IIM gave them good education, professors were there. It is applying yourself, application based, which is more important. So social entrepreneurship, which is what enthuses me. If you try to give benefit to 10 people, you are going to get that benefit of 0.1% to you. In brokerage also, in stock broking firms, when we talk, when they give a deal of 1 crore rupees, you get 0.1% commission. India Bulls showed the way. India Bulls, the youngsters showed the way when the broking community was talking about 1%. Real estate, we are talking about different commissions. I know each and every rules and regulation of real estate, though I have not personally sat down and supervised my projects, but then I have been just a sleeping partner because I was telling that tomorrow if your apartment has to sell, low cost housing, in your own statistics you can say 26 crores houses is required. I think 265 million houses are required. Can you build a house at 700 rupees? And I have answers for all these things with my own team of people. We have worked out with ordinary engineers, ordinary civil contractors. I worked out and I built all my schools I built in 3.5 to 4 crores rupees, and I give the education at 15,000 rupees, and I tell Kapil Sibal that you can send another 100% free education, I have no problem. So 542 Lok Sabha constituencies. One constituency, if we can start a school there, you have empowered that person. That young person who is educated today can talk about 300%. It is the knowledge which can create your customers. So you have to see 50 years in advance, and you can sell your house at 1,000 rupees, apartment 750 rupees. And Ramesh Ramanathan, one of the corporate governance guy from ICICI, has done that in Bangalore. Jerry Rao from Emphasis has done that, and many 50 more people. And I have sent 6 people to United States of America in advance. You go to there, study the entrepreneurship and come in low cost housing. You have to come and build 1 million house, and 16 companies I have created for 1 million houses, and your time is only 10 years in time I am giving you to build 1 million houses and connect with HDFC, and you can do that. So the empowerment of mind, if we can empower ourselves, I think nothing like it. Only 7 things which comes to my mind is very important, that we are the extremely talented people,